The following program is video supplemental instruction. VSI is brought to you by the Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.
Question number 9 says, what is the classification of calcium carbonate? This is everyday chalk. That's what chalk is made out of. And also that's what Tums they used for calcium. So it gives us 5 choices: atomic element, molecular compound, ionic compound, or atomic compound. Well, we know atomic elements can only be one element on the periodic table. Calcium alone would be an element. Carbon alone would be an element. Oxygen alone would be an element. But because these are combined together, we cannot call this an element. So, one way to understand if something is an ionic compound is to know the electronegativities, which many times will not be provided on the exams, but anything with an electronegativity difference of 1.4 or greater would be an ionic compound. But also, if you can recognize that calcium is one of our alkaline earth metals with a +2 charge, and carbonate has a -2 charge, anytime one of these polyatomic ions, and it's going to combine with the calcium ion, we're going to look at that and say, this is an ionic compound. And the best answer is choice number 4, which is an ionic compound. Remember, a molecular compound might be something like CH4, methane. And we're not really paying attention to anything with covalent bonding here, but if we learn different types of bonding later on, covalent bonding has an electronegativity closer to one another.
The Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.